Ika. Ika. Ika.
Blanco.
Patay isang.
Ating dart. Lagsa. Terus Pak. Ating Chua.
Bago mag-start. Sabay mo ana niya. Huwag na. Oh, diyan sa timer ba? Oh. Oh. Ayaw. Ay, isa ba to? Team 2, no? O team 1? Dos. Ano lang tap na? Ayaw. Running man ta. Running ka. Sabay ng running. Ito, foul or? Feel foul. Sige guys.
Chua.
Gahi lagi. Juga gunita ni mo ang tripod. Ayun lag gusto dia announcer dia. Kay announcer. To, ana. Tinutulan ni mo to. To, ano. Hindi daw. Tanaw daw. Sige, ikaw daw. Ano. Ikaw. Pilitan tre. Apa Wow. Sorry.
Dagli.
Murag mahawd na kuha ni ba? Iyo. Iyo.
Talaga yung back, mali mo nang...
Kariro na nako ni.
Career na ka ba?
Gusto.
Putok. Puta nila mo.
Oh.
Wow.
Ay, kung Mr. Boss, seryoso na ko. Shoutout ya guys.
Nice pass. Maybe na lang.
May nag-chat.
Yeah.
Para marinig niya sa live. Feel niya lang kaya.
Chris ha.
Ano ba? 55.
Hindi niya sa untaw. Ron sa sama-sama. Shout out boss Arnel
Yeah.
sa pagman sa ating kamera. Hi to the live. Emergency daw. Makmak gaming.
Ako na ka ba?
Asa iya, Fildo today.
Wala, feel duwa yun eh. Gatorade lang.
YouTube lang, basta
Yo, dagang kugas.
Ayay ka, nabaglan! Oh, grabe na.
Ay.
Stop time ta sa 1 minute din ball.
Mr. Gap.
Hi. Stop.
Wala. Okay lang 1 minute. Pag 1 minute.
What? Stop. Okay. Oh, stop.
Bam!
Guys na.
May komentaryo. Pag-komentaryo din.
Dili gani ka komentar. Di ko lain kayo.
What a shot by Mr. Dayang Hirang.
What a shot. Pinagpa. 1 point for Mr. Dayanghira.
This one na. Pag di ma-shot, unang time. Pag di ma-shot.
And he makes 2. Dayang.
Ayun.
Big man from Davao Oriental. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. For the fast break. Mr. Blanco. Let's go. Nice pass.
Kaya kita magduungan.
20 seconds remaining.
Pila kami.
Mr. Valdez is shoot and misses.
Segundo.
Lever with the drive and finishes. 2 points. Gone for the last second shot. Passes to Garcia. Makes the 3. 3 points. That concludes our first quarter. Shout out Arnel Ronquillo.
Wala lagi.
Kailangan maglaro sa Paulo agad? Or pwede
Kay 10 mo gud siya. Kay 10 mo.
Shit na po.
Siya mo di ka 10. Siya mo di ka 10. Shout out. Guys, live tayo guys, live. Ha? Music.
Number 88, shout out.
Sabi daw Gino. Babae ko po. Ako lang.
Shout out number 30. Abilita Mecha. Today.
Ito pagwala ni daw. Ah, bigla.
And we're back at the second quarter. 26-21 in favor of Dark. Woo! The name of game. The name of game, Paulo Sunod.
Yung pagkuhan go ba? Yung automatic go sa bang. Sabay gid. Maliit man gud ako.
Bilang.
Bilang.
Mali pa rin yung NBA. Hindi pa gano'n practice.
Shout out number 05. Boss Gigi. My idol.
Magkatagal pag...
Oh, receive, receive.
Enriquez. Passes to Ortega. Ortega with the post. Ortega with the post. Passes to Mike So. Intercepted. Jetro on the fast break. Mixing. Jetro Nulia.
Ang assist.
Sir Carlo Pelli handling the ball. With the floater. Miss it.
Ay, patungarit.
Regained by him. Nice. Nice shot. Draws the foul. Nice so. Number 24.
15.
This is one. This is both. Rebounded by Jasper Lee. Jasper Nulia.
5 to shoot.
It's J14. J14 with the drive and dish to Gigi and score. Gigi Rodriguez. Dale with the post, gives to Paolo.
5 to
Paolo
shoot.
gives to Ortega. Ortega gives to So. Misses. Rebounded by Gigi. Nice pass to Iggy. Number 0. In with the 3. Makes it. Nice pass to Gigi. Gigi makes it. What a tough shot. One for the highlight reel. Yeah. Paulo with a 2. Makes it. Jay with the ball. Jay drives to the basket, passes to Iggy. Iggy with the 3, makes it. What a nice play. Oh, what a move by Mr. Pelli, but misses. Nice interception by Jay. It's a 3-on-1. It's a 3-on-1. Mike Shaw with the rebound and foul. Great hustle play by Mike. Great hustle play.
Saktan ko naman.
Nice pass by Paulo onto Ortega with the shot.
Ay, tungarit.
What a highlight from Mr. Ortega. Jiggy with the drive, with a switch. Oh, almost makes it. Rebounded by Pelli. Passes to Pelly. Pelly with the side step and the pass to Mike. What a play! Let's go! Missed by Nulia. Enriquez with the drive, Enriquez with the dish. Up. Oh, intercepted by Mr. Nulia. Pedro Nulia with the drive, that's it. Pelly with the ball handling moves, passes to Clyde, makes it! Mr. Ortega with his second basket.
Push lang.
Iggy Escudero with a three! That's his second three. What a shot! My God. Jesus. Mr. Pelly drives the ball, gives to Dale. Dale misses the three. With a fast break. Oh! Deep. Did I clear pass? Sorry. Shout out, Eric Bonga.
Doon lang stepping or foul ba? Ito lang.
Jasper Lim with the drive. Jasper Lim gets fouled. Jay Fortis with a three, misses. Pass to Paulo Solon. Paulo Solon is open. Oh, misses the layup. Intercepted by Dale, but Team 1 gets the ball. Intercepted by Pelly. Given again to Paulo. For the easy two. Paulo Pelly.
Escudero.
Intercepted by Tommy. Mike. Oh, what a hustle play. One for the highlight reel. Three by Jethro Nulia, misses. Rebounded by Ortega. Given to Pelly. Pelly looks for his teammates. Passes to Enriquez. Enriquez with the three. Misses. Gigi Rodriguez gets fouled. All inbounded by Gigi. Given to Jethro Nulia. Iggy Escudero. What a good, great, amazing play. Wow.
Ayan, right.
Pelly, given to Ortega. Listen, but it was a good shot. Jethro Nulia with the ball. Jethro Nulia going to the basket. Oh, coast to coast. With a minute to go, Team 1 holds the ball and gives to Iggy for the three, but misses. Oh. Less than a minute to go. Mike Saw, blocked by Jasper Lim. Oh, what a move by Mike Thaw with a spin move. And Jethro gets the 2 points right back. Gail Enriquez with a 3. Oh, it's too much. It's too strong. 24 seconds, 48-38, Team 1. Team 1 would prefer to hold the ball for the last shot, taking their time. Oh, what a great pass by K4 Kitch, but missed by Jiggy. Oh, and stolen! At the end of the second quarter, 48-30.
Lahat, team scored.
Ano?
Pagbawa ka ng bola eh.
Play.
Pagbuti ka. May tayo mo katanin siya. Kasi baliktad ko ba na?
Asa kayo ito?
Dito ko ka. Tama. Tapos kumot.
Lagi.
Ito ka itong kumot niya.
Oo.
Iya tanong ito. Kuyok. Aduh. Kau ada may kau announcer. Kahit to shoot. Mike. Naglalakang Mike.
What a reverse by Mr. Blanco. One for the highlight reel. Nicoy with the drive, with an easy 2. Nicoy Banzuela. Garcia to Garcia. Shoots the 3. Bang! The lead is now cut to 5. Garcia with his third triple of the game. Pichua with the 3. Misses. Oh! Patrick Chua with a hustle play. What a nice pass. What a nice pass by John Garcia. One for the highlight reel. Marquintoa with a pass to Edward Blanco. Foul. Edward Blanco will now go for 2 on the line.
Wala na naputsal.
Garcia with a three. Listen. With Garcia again. Oh no. He won with a fast break. Edward Blanco passes to Martin. Martin gets blocked by Arden. What a monster block by Arden. Valdevieso.
Rip.
Number two. Bam! 3-point. Clever. With a dead eye attribute. John Garcia holds the ball, looking for his teammate. Passes to Garcia. Garcia passes to Garcia. Garcia drives. Garcia with the contact. John Garcia. Martin Tong with the drive. Gives to Clever. Clever thinks. And Clever shoots. Clever makes it. 99. Wow. Shout out Dayan, my idol since high school.
Pila, isa lang.
Makes one. Edward Blanco gives to Martin Coo. Martin Coo handles the ball, gives it to Clever. Clever drive, gives it to Patrick Chua, gives to Coo, gives back to Clever for the three. Clever, two. Clever with the rebound. My God, he's on fire on both ends. Clever again for three. Does not make it this time. Rebounded by Arden Valdevieso. And the big man drives the ball and handles. Gives it to Garcia for the easy two. What a pass by Arden Valdevieso. Martin Toong with the... Oh. Fighting for the rebound. Team 2 gets it. Gives to John Garcia. Drives and makes it with the contact. 8-point lead by Team 1.
Wide to shoot.
Patrick Chua with the three. Too strong. Rebounded. Oh, what a pass by Martin. What a pass. Martin to the Young connection. Garcia for the three is too strong. Nicole with the rebound but is get off. Passes to Martin. Martin thinks about it. Martin shoots the three. It's too weak. Short. John Garcia with a drive. Thinks about it. Passes. What a pass! What a pass by John! No look. No look. No look. Clever with a three. Oh my God! He does not miss! He does not miss! He does not miss.
Alright.
Rock and roll. Shout out again to Mr. Arnold Ronquillo for manning the camera. Rebound by Dayan with elbow. What a pass to a driving Edward Blanco. Ayan! Let's go with the layup! Damn. Top 5 play. He could have dunked the ball, but he chose to lay it up. Rebounded. Edward Blanco to Martin. He is too fast, ladies and gentlemen. Garcia, misses. Rebounded by Martin. It's a 2-on-1 situation. Clever so, open again. Oh no, almost. Another one. Up. Stolen by John Garcia, and he drives to the basket for the easy. Nope. Rebounded by Migoy. Makes it. What a hustle play. Migoy Banzuela. Martin Toong with the baseline 2. Makes it. Oh, and a steal. Oh, what a nice dish. Oh, but does not make it. Dayang versus John Garcia. John Garcia wins that matchup. Eversu holding. They will hold it for the 20 seconds. Patrick Chua, Boss PC, does not make the three. John Garcia, oh no, with a contact. What a nice play. Team White leads by 11 points. Team 1, 73-62. End of third.
Gila.
Please sama dia. Please sama dia. Saya kasih kontrol mana?
Oh.
Mike, magpa-default na lang kayo, Mike. Mr. Mike C, please, magpa-default na lang kayo.
Ginos.
I love you, brother.
Ito ni.
Brother, bigyan mo naman kami ng 1. E.G. Escudero handles the ball, gives to Jeff Granulia. Gigi, oh, it's too strong. Gigi is too strong. He's been going to the gym. Carlo Pelli with the drive, dishes to Enrico. Paulo Salon for the 2. Wow! J14 looking for his teammates. J14 to the drive. Gives to Jetro for the 3. Bam! Jetro, Nuria. Carlo Pelli gives to Enrico Solon to Nick Manzuela. Bang! Patented 2-pointer by Nick Manzuela. E.G. Escudero looks for his teammates. Passes to Jasper Lim. Jasper Lim does not get the 2. Rebounded by John Garcia. John Garcia drives to the basket. Nice pass to Enrico Solon. Oh, but it's short. Oh! Oh! What a hustle play. John Garcia. The lead is cut to 8. Single digit lead. Bang! And it goes to double digits again. Just like that. Just like that. Just like that, ladies and gentlemen. Paulo Solon, stolen by Jetro, but stolen again. Gives to John Garcia. Launches the 3. Gives it right back. John Garcia with a 3. To cut the lead again to single digits. What a game. What a game, ladies and gentlemen.
Into shoot.
Stefan Nuria! Oh, he misses. What a pass to John Garcia. Oh! Aaron! Substitution, Martin To'o for Jiggy Rodriguez, my idol.
Dua. Dili, kuanta 3 minutes siya, no? Tapos na 3 minutes. Closer. Bulo siya. 2 minutes. 3, pero pag bula. Pero pag 2 minutes, patang 2 minutes.
John Garcia with the and one play. Ladies and gentlemen, the score is going back and forth. The lead from double to single digits. Arden Valdivieso with the rebound. John Garcia with a sense of urgency. John Garcia gives to Paulo Solon. Gives it right back. Oh, gives it. Oh! No foul. No foul given. No foul given. Edward Blanco. Oh, with the interception. Carlo Pelli gets the interception. Gives to Enrico Solon. Enrico Solon is open. Oh!
Pag-ball lang, pero pa 2 minutes.
Clever Sue with the floor. Oh, makes it. Clever Sue.
Natagdan mo lang. Oh, nya. Natagdan mo.
Carlo Pelli looks for his teammate, the playmaker. Gives to Paulo Solon. Paulo Solon, swarmed by the defense. Gives to John. Oh! What a strong pass. It's too strong. The pass is too strong. And it's a turnover. Turnover. Time out, team 2.
Ini dapat ini. Ay, magsugod na.
Salamin.
Una on the wrong. 3 seconds lang.
5 minutes and 34 seconds to go in the fourth quarter. The action resumes here in Big Daddy Basketball Club.
Please watch the live.
Oh. Hey. Ayun na. Oh.
Martin To'o passes to Jeff Ranulia. Jeff Ranulia thinks about it, gives it again, passes to Martin To'o, rebounded by Elizer Diakhira. Elizer Diakhira misses. The point blank shot is missed. Oh, what an unfortunate turnover. That was an unfortunate turnover by Team 2. Team 1 retains the ball.
Bola.
The ball is wet and we will make practice.
Masuk itu bos. Bila nak kawan dia? Tahu nak?
1 second.
Agak dia. Lina.
Martin To'o with a hesitation move. Gives it to Jeff Ranulia. Passes to Clever Sue. Clever Sue drives the ball. Gives it back to Martin. Martin with a 2-point shot. Does not make it. Given back to Clever Sue. Bang! For the 3-point.
Yan na.
The lead is now double digits. 10-point lead. Team 1.
Hindi na po pala momentum nila.
Less than 5 minutes in the game. You can see the sense of urgency with Team 2. Intercepted by Jethro Nuria.
Ya. Bola.
We need the ball, Komi. Thank you, Komi, for the ball. Shout out, Komi.
Foul ka din.
Garcia with a 3. Too strong. Good foul by Enrico Solon. And time out by Team 1. Sub by Team 2, rather.
Okay na.
Team nawala. Garcia, sub for Elliot.
Kaya ka, Honday.
Patay.
Jethro Nuria with a 3. Misses. Oh, but he gets his rebound. Gives it back to Martin Toong. He gives it to Edward Blanco. Gives it back to Toong. Which gives to Banhiro with a pass to Nuria. Oh, with a hand in his face. Jethro Nuria makes it. Easy 2 points for the contested 2. The lead is now 12 points. Carlo Perry passes to Solon. Solon with a 3. Makes it. 9-point lead. What's it to 9-point lead?
3 minutes na, no? Stop.
Yung stop time
Pag-dead ball lang.
Oh,
2 minutes lang.
pag dead ball.
2 minutes lang.
3 minutes. Sorry. 3 minutes. Dead ball. Basta pag dead ball.
Give it to Jethro Nuria. Gives it to Martin Toong. Oh! Intercepted by John Garcia. But the ref rules that it is Team 1 ball.
Kalimot ko. Kita na ko.
I repeat,
4 seconds.
Team 1 ball.
4 seconds.
Team 1 ball.
4 seconds.
Oh, nice defense by Enrico Solon. Oh, John Garcia is now fouled. What a great play by John Garcia. Great foul. High ball IQ by John Garcia.
Oh, naman sila Clyden.
Nice shot. Nice shot by the big man. AV Arden Valdivieso. Jethro Nuria left open, but it's too strong. But rebounded by Edward Blanco. Gives it back to Clever. Clever too strong again. Paulo Solon with a great anticipation of the rebound. Oh! Oh no! Oh no! I can hear the crack. I heard the crack. John Garcia, are you okay? Are you okay, John Garcia? My best friend team. Let's go.
Ano yun, ref? Charging?
Sargent. Offensive foul. Jasper Lim with the offensive foul.
Sula lang.
Make three.
Carlo Pelli. Oh, too short. What a pass. Oh! Malapit tinaktak ni Jeffron nun. Mahilig siya sa tinaktakan. Shout out Siren. Shout out Siren Kadura. Walang kamuang-muang.
Shot ko?
They, oh, does not make the two free throws. Does not make the two free throws. Carlo Pelli with the ball. Carlo Pelli hesitates. Oh, stolen by Martin but fouled. Stolen by Martin but fouled.
Warning nga. Nadia. Nadia. Warning nga. Oh? Offensive dia, offensive.
Martin, for two. The lead is 9 points. Arlen Valdivieso with a three. Does not make it. Edward Blanco with a rebound. Martin Tong gives it right back for the layup. Oh, makes it. The lead is now 11. Carlo Pelli with a beautiful pass to Migoy Panzuela. Under 1 minute to go. 9-point lead. Team 1 opting to hold the ball, taking their time. Number 2 with a pass to Martin, intercepted by Carlo Pelli. Then Garcia gives to Carlo Pelli, too strong. Oh no. 25 seconds to go, and I think that's game. Great game by the two teams. My God, what a ball game.